The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado HD with a custom install track with bike mounts. So if you've seen any of our more recent videos, you've seen a video with just the track and then some with just the drop tops. So if you want more information on just the track, check out the track video. We'll link to them all in the description below. But so here we have the final product of this truck. So this is 3 mounts on this custom installed track. Again, more details on the track in that video linked to below. But here we've got the drop top, which can handle 12mm and 15mm through axles on the fly, just by adjusting this T-bolt, which is locked with this cover. One thing I did not mention in the other video with this is that it does work with your standard open tip front forks by using a dummy axle. So that's available separately. So if you need to go back and forth between open tip and through axle, might be worth picking one of those up. But if you do just the open tip forks, then the locking LoBall is the way to go. And I did mention in the track video how you can save some money. So RockyMounts, and at the time of this video, this is all accurate. RockyMounts offers the LoBall in track and non-track form. The track one means it comes with mounting plates to mount into a track like this or like a Tacoma. However, when you purchase this custom track, it actually comes with some spare mounting plates so you can mount your accessories to it. So you don't have to buy the track mount, you can save some bucks and go with this and then use the plates that come with it. Not the end of the world if you buy the track system, you'll just have extra hardware at the end of it. So on the far side you can see the secondary drop top through axle bike carrier. So yeah, this is just a quick look. You can see here, there's plenty of room for 3 bikes. You could probably fit 4, just depending on the width of the handlebars. You could probably mock it up on the ground, measure it out before you get into it. But I think if you were to bump to these mounts to the very far ends, you could probably squeeze 2 more in the middle. But 3 for sure, no problem at all. So yeah, that's just a quick look. For more details, pictures, pricing, ordering, please click on the links in the description below. That takes you back to our website, therackshop.com. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, give us a call, shoot us an email, or swing by the shop. Love to help you sort out your next rack system. So that's it for this video, and like always, thanks for watching.